Ayan na yung Maitake mushroom ni Daddy. It's the Maitake mushroom. It means in Japanese, it's a dancing. What is it, Daddy? Dancing mushroom. So,
Dancing lady or dancing?
yeah. Kaya sabi nila, if you found something Maitake, you have to dance. At sarap-sarap niya. Tinikman ko na. Nilagyan ko lang ng kaya unting bagoong. Ayan. Mas masarap pa sa oyster nga. Totoo nga. Wow, ngayon, masayang masaya na ako kasi nung bata ako talaga lagi si tatay nakakakuha ng mga mushroom sa puno ng mga bamboo tree namin, mga punong kahoy. Yung kagabi naglalakad kami ni Daddy sa woods. Sabi ko, sana mayroong mushroom. Wala na akong ginawa, kundi tingin ng mushroom sa nilalakaran namin all night long. Wala kami nakita. Umulan. Ngayon, masakit yung paa ko. Hindi ako nakasama sa pag-walking kay Daddy. Doon siya nakakuha. Lagyan ko ng dahon ng ampalaya. So, ayan yung ampalaya na bigyan ng katrabaho ko, nilagay ko dyan. Madami pa, ang dami pa nito. Nakuha ni Daddy. Pagkadami-dami. See? Ate, look at this! Daddy got them in the woods. Those are expensive ones. I know, and they are like the oyster mushroom. It really is. So, Ate is trying the mushroom. So, yeah. Ooh, it's tastier than oyster mushroom. Maitake mushroom. Ate, you have to dance.
That's good.
It is, isn't it? There you go. Yummy. It's good for high blood pressure. So good. Iprito mat datoy. Yata, dagiti mushroom kat pampapigsa nga talaga ti immune system. Isumat dagiti ko dagiti katanga nga mushroom nga ajay kat $60 ajay ininom nga ajay for immune system.
Especially that yung klase. Yung Maitake.
Very good. Maitake mushroom.
Ginagana?
Woohoo! Maitake. Kaskla. Maitake. Maitake. Japanese name. It's Maitake mushroom. Yay! Yum. Alright, just sharing, folks. Thanks for watching.